Discover the hidden gems of maple wood. From its stunning grain patterns to its unmatched durability, learn why this wood is a favorite among craftsmen. What makes maple wood a true crafting treasure? Uncover the secrets that elevate this ordinary tree into extraordinary creations. Why do artisans swear by maple wood for their crafts? Dive into the secrets that make maple the go-to choice for timeless pieces. Welcome to the fascinating world of maple wood, where nature's beauty meets exceptional craftsmanship. Often celebrated for its stunning grain patterns and remarkable durability, maple wood is more than just a material. It's a versatile ally for artisans and hobbyists alike. Whether you're crafting elegant furniture, creating unique home decor, or designing kitchen essentials, understanding the secrets of maple wood can elevate your projects to new heights. In this exploration, we'll uncover what makes maple wood so special, from its sustainable qualities and aesthetic appeal to its workability and strength. Join us as we dive into the hidden gems of maple wood and discover how to harness its full potential in your creative endeavors. Maple wood is highly valued in woodworking and crafting for its unique properties and versatility. Here are some key aspects that highlight the secrets of maple wood. 1. Types of maple. Hard maple, sugar maple. Known for its strength and durability, it's often used in furniture, cabinetry, and flooring. Soft maple. More pliable and easier to work with, it's commonly used for less demanding applications. 2. Aesthetic appeal. Maple wood features a fine, consistent grain that can range from light cream to a reddish-brown hue. Its appearance makes it ideal for both traditional and modern designs. 3. Durability. It is a hardwood known for its resistance to wear and tear, making it suitable for high-traffic areas and furniture that endures regular use. 4. Workability. Maple is relatively easy to work with. It takes stains and finishes well, allowing for a variety of looks, from a natural finish to rich, dark stains. 5. Stability. Maple wood is less likely to warp or shrink over time compared to other woods, making it a stable choice for furniture and cabinetry. 6. Versatility. Its strength and aesthetic appeal make maple suitable for a wide range of applications, including kitchen utensils, musical instruments, and decorative items. 7. Sustainability. Maple trees grow abundantly in North America, making them a sustainable choice when harvested responsibly. 8. Cultural significance. Maple has historical importance in various cultures, particularly in North America, where it is also associated with maple syrup production. 9. Unique features. Some pieces of maple may exhibit flame or curly grain patterns, adding distinctive visual interest and value. 10. Finishing options. Maple can be finished in numerous ways, enhancing its natural beauty while providing protection against moisture and wear. Maple wood's combination of beauty, durability, and versatility makes it a treasured material for woodworkers and craftsmen. Understanding its unique properties can help you maximize its potential in your projects. Creating maple wood crafts for profit can be a rewarding and lucrative venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Market analysis. Investigate what maple wood crafts are popular in your area or online. Identify trends and customer preferences. Target audience. Define who your potential customers are, e.g., home decorators, gift buyers, etc. 2. Choose your craft. Select the type of crafts you want to create. Popular options include furniture, tables, chairs, and cabinets. Home decor, picture frames, wooden signs, and decorative bowls. Kitchen items, cutting boards, utensils, and serving trays. Toys, wooden toys or puzzles for children. 3. Gather materials and tools. Materials, source high-quality maple wood. Consider using reclaimed wood for unique pieces. Tool, Invest in essential woodworking tools such as saws, table saw, miter saw, sanding tools, drills, finishing supplies, stains, oils, sealants. 4. Design your crafts. Sketch ideas. Create detailed sketches of your designs, including dimensions and features. Prototype. Make a few samples to test your designs and refine your techniques. 5. Crafting process. Cutting. Measure and cut the maple wood according to your designs. Shaping. Sand and shape the wood to ensure smooth edges and surfaces. Assembly. Assemble your crafts using glue, nails, or screws as needed. Finishing. Apply stains, oils, or sealants to enhance the wood's natural beauty and protect it. 6. Pricing your crafts. Cost calculation. Calculate the total cost of materials, tools, and labor. Profit margin. Set a reasonable profit margin, typically 20–50% markup. 7. Marketing and selling. Online platforms. Use platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon Handmade to reach a wider audience. Local markets. Participate in craft fairs, farmers markets, or local shops. Social media. Promote your crafts on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to attract customers. 8. Customer engagement. Quality service. Provide excellent customer service to encourage repeat business. Feedback. Gather customer feedback to improve your products and designs. 9. Expand your offerings. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line or offering custom orders to meet customer needs. Conclusion. With careful planning, creativity, and craftsmanship, you can turn maple wood into beautiful products that sell well in the market. Stay committed to quality and customer satisfaction to build a successful craft business. Creating a maple wood craft design involves a combination of creativity, planning, and practical woodworking skills. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you design and make your maple wood craft. 1. Inspiration and conceptualization. Research designs. Look for inspiration online, Pinterest, woodworking sites, or in magazines. Identify styles that resonate with you: rustic, modern, traditional. Define your purpose. Decide what type of craft you want to make: furniture, decor, kitchen items, toys, etc. 2. Sketching your design. Initial sketches. Create rough sketches of your ideas, focusing on shape, size, and functionality. Detailed drawings. Produce more precise drawings with measurements, angles, and any intricate details. 3. Selecting materials. Choose quality maple. Select the appropriate type of maple wood, hard or soft, based on your project needs. Estimate quantities. Determine how much wood you'll need according to your design. 4. Creating a prototype. Mock-up. Use inexpensive materials like plywood to create a mock-up of your design. This helps visualize the final product and make adjustments. Test fit. Ensure all pieces fit together as intended. 5. Finalizing your design. Adjustments. Make necessary modifications to your design based on the prototype. Plan the details. Consider additional features such as joints, finishes, or decorative elements. 6. Cutting and shaping the wood. Measurement and marking. Measure and mark your maple wood accurately according to your final design. Cutting. Use appropriate tools, table saw, miter saw, to cut the wood pieces to size. Shaping. Sand edges and surfaces for a smooth finish and to remove any splinters. 7. Assembly. Joinery. Decide on the type of joints to use: butt joints, dovetails, mortise, and tenon, and assemble the pieces accordingly. Clamping. Use clamps to hold pieces together while the glue dries. 8. Finishing touches. Sanding. Sand the entire craft to a smooth finish, starting with coarse grit and progressing to finer grits. Staining or painting. Apply a wood stain or paint if desired, or leave it natural for a classic look. Sealing. Use a clear finish, polyurethane, oil, or wax, to protect the wood and enhance its appearance. 9. Final inspection. Quality check. Inspect the final product for imperfections or areas needing touch-ups. Final touches. Make any last adjustments before considering it complete. By following these steps, you can create a well-designed maple wood craft that showcases your creativity and craftsmanship. Enjoy the process and learn from each project. As we conclude our journey into the secrets of maple wood, it's clear that this remarkable material holds endless possibilities for craftsmen and creators. From its stunning aesthetics and durability to its eco-friendly nature, maple wood is truly a treasure in the world of woodworking. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting your crafting adventure, embracing the unique qualities of maple can enhance your projects and inspire your creativity. So, the next time you reach for a piece of maple, remember the stories it can tell and the beauty it can bring to your creations. Thank you for exploring the secrets of maple wood with us. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate this incredible material into your own crafts and share your newfound knowledge with others. Happy crafting!